Hello, this is a night Star Roamer multi-band radio which I built in the spring months of 1968. It was a night kit sold by Allied Radio Corporation. Allied Radio no longer exists and has been merged with a British company more than 3 decades ago. The radio contains 4 tubes, 3 of which are shielded to prevent interference with other components, so you know how old this radio is. I am showing multiple sides of the radio. It currently does not work. It emits a loud noise, but has worked more than 30 years or so. Last time I turned it on, it was just emitting noise. I think it might be a bad capacitor or possibly a tube. Thanks for watching.